Hey guys, with everything going on in the world recently, it can be difficult to remember to prioritize your health and well-being, especially if you're taking care of family and navigating this world with the current pandemic. I've been doing a bit of research, looking at what self-care entails. Part of me wanted it to be all about skincare and ice cream. But another part of me knew that that's certainly not what caring for myself always needs to look like. This video illustrates me intentionally making soothing summer drinks while I contemplate what self-care actually does look like. According to Susanna Joy Winters, self-care is deliberately taking care of your well-being through restorative activities. She understands restorative activities as moments of stillness and interruptions in the everyday hustle of life. She states that it's not about getting it right. It's about practice and showing up for yourself. This practice revolves around the long-term reduction of both your physical and your mental stress, which means these moments of stillness are mental as much as they are physical. Portia Jackson Preston understands self-care as 6 interconnected areas: physical self-care, psychological self-care, emotional self-care, spiritual self-care, relational self-care, and professional self-care. For her, each one of these must be fulfilled, or at least considered, in order for you to be healthy. Expanding on that idea, Jackson Preston also doesn't envision self-care as an individual practice, or at least not an individual practice alone. It's not only about what you do in your day for your well-being. Self-care is also a community practice. She states that self-care is not in a vacuum. It's not solely on one person to take care of themselves. Self-care is also something communal and relational. How you practice self-care in the workplace can help those around you in the office by encouraging people to take time off and by not rewarding overworking. It is this understanding that allows for the space of self-care to also be the way you support your family, your friends, your coworkers, the way you ensure you're taking moments of stillness to breathe and to stretch. One particular quote stood out to me. Audre Lorde states that caring for myself is not self-indulgence, it is self-preservation, and that is an act of political warfare. Because of this, some days my self-care is focused around supporting my colleagues and hosting a Zoom call. Other days, it's about cleaning my work desk, folding the laundry, tidying the house, and sometimes, honestly, it's a bowl of veggies and a hot bath. I think it's helpful for me to understand self-care as not one thing or even one routine of that one thing. It's a culmination of several intentional actions in different parts of my day and my week. Today, my focus on summery drinks seems to be helping quench my thirst as much as it's allowing me a few moments of stillness and slow movement. Anyway, I hope you're all practicing some sort of self-care right now, in whatever form that looks like. Take care.
around. You seem my side, kinda like you smile. Do you drink tea? Can you stay a while? Someone told me that you're kinda sweet. I'm not a sucker for that kind of thing, but when you order lemon ginger tea, that was a moment that changed everything. I got a